I put my 3D printer in a microwave. Why did I do this crazy thing? Well, I was taking apart a microwave for another project, getting the transformer for a welder, and I realized this is a very stable way to balance my x-axis using neodymium magnets and put the printer axis inside the microwave and hold it up above the y-axis of this 3D flat bed scanner. So let's try some test patterns to see how I tuned my PID. First of all, we will be doing a hexagon because a hexagon has diagonals. And diagonals can test X and Y movement. Well, that looks pretty good to me, and I was spoiled by the DC servo quietness, but the stepper is very loud in comparison. However, the microwave amplifies the sound. The metal box acts like a megaphone and it rattles. But another thing to be cool is a laser in a microwave. A CNC laser in this thing. You could close the door, there's no chance of a stray beam. This is just the metal box inside. You could suck the air away pretty nicely and it would be fireproof. So I think a CNC laser is in my future. Also, along the way, I made a way to save the values while it's running on a PID. So I can change the PID while it's running. So if I send the machine the shape while it's going, I can update the PID by just clicking A to increase the P value. You see it changing down here. And put it back to what it used to be. I can change the I value, put it down to what it used to be, or I can change the D value. All on the fly while it's running, which is pretty cool. All you do is type a bunch of letters into the box right there for PID, and you will get changes to the PID. P changed, the I changed, the D changed. One last test before I go. How about a square to show no ringing on the corners? There you have it. Let's send it again just to make sure it has repeatability. Anyway, this microwave was a pretty cool test project just to get things going quickly. Neodymium magnets held it quite nicely. All right, guys, I'll send you one last teaser to show you my 3D printed extruder. Actually, it's not 3D printed. It's on my CNC machine, but it uses these cheap BY28 motors, BYJ28 motors, and hopefully I'm going to mount one on this side and that side to spin this little shaft here and extrude the filament. This will be changed with a spring for more holding power. Right now I'm just using those little braces, rubber bands, and there's a bearing in the middle with a little hob to gear that I learned how to do. I'll have to add a link to that channel, how to hob a gear. Very useful video. Anyway, quick update. Hope you guys are doing well. Talk to you later. Bye.